favorite time to go out. I like being able to walk far into where the ocean would usually be. Find treasures, perhaps. Interesting rocks, maybe. So far, I found some sea glass. I found this kind of cool bamboo stick. Best time to comes after a storm or something. There's some more bamboo. I like these. Oh shit, look. Somebody's building a house over here. I can find some better pieces. Let's see what they got. They might have buried somebody here. This is kind of creepy, like some movie I've seen. Okay. These two pieces are pretty big and good. And I'll leave some for the other people. Yeah, crazy amount of bamboo out there today. I have a secret fantasy that I find like a kilo of cocaine washed up and I go retire somewhere after I sell it all. Like part of somebody's chair or something, old antique chair. It's a pretty cool piece of driftwood right there. This guy. So when I'm looking for any kind of sea glass, I just kind of look down here real close, and I can see. If you look right here. That's how you do it. See a good one right here. Real good one. See that? They just kind of sit on top. This one's probably the best one I found. Look at that. It's like a perfect piece. Sweet. One right there. Oh. Step around. I got my foot. That looks like speckles of gold. I'm such a nerd, huh, for doing this. Look, it's like the John Cougar melon can. Little pink houses for you and me. I usually don't bother getting shells unless they're like whole shells. I mean, this is a pretty typical clam shell. It's nothing too spectacular going on there, but it is undamaged. I kind of stopped collecting rocks, but if they look cool like this one, I kind of like throwing those in the pot because when I water the plants, they kind of light up and look cool. So I don't know, a couple rocks that had caught my eye. This one was kind of cool because it has the little, let me pull this a little closer. little suctiony things where there was like crustaceans that were chewing on it over the long periods of time, I guess. Just kind of a cool green rock. This was another shell I found earlier. This guy, this had some cool like layers of color. It's flatter. To show you this one, because this was like the coolest piece. This one right here. Like, look how it's shaped. It's like a lozenge, like a Vicks pin or something. Isn't that cool? Found some other ones too. I'll clean them all at one time and then I'll show them. So you can see all that. That was today's find. Boom.